Hey guys, I am Mrs. Kapek, a sixth grade science teacher, and today I'm going to take you through the river erosion gizmo. This first river that we're looking at is a mountain stream. So this is a very hilly area, not very flat. We're going to have different elevations. So the water's going to drop in areas. The first thing that I want to do is I want you just to look and see what you can see. So we're going to look at this first camera close up of the river. We have an underwater shot. What do you notice? We have lots of big things and small things. What can you see? Okay. Our next camera, it's a little bit downriver. And this camera view is mostly above water, and we're looking at the ground in the area, and you could see a little bit into the river. So what do you see here? What is happening?